Hi students, welcome back to Acid, Bases and Salt. This is the third session of Acid, Bases and Salt. In this section, we will be studying about types of salt, neutralization reactions in day-to-day life, and the third one is pH value. So first topic is types of salt. There are three types of salt. First one is acidic salt. Second one is basic salt, and the third one is neutral salt. Acidic salt, basic salt, and neutral salt. Now, when strong acid react with weak base, we get acidic salt, and water. The product got will be acidic salt plus water. For example, hydrochloric acid, which is strong acid, react with weak base like magnesium hydroxide to form magnesium chloride plus water. So magnesium chloride is an acidic salt. Magnesium chloride is an acidic salt. Why? Because strong acid is reacting with weak base. Next, when weak acid react with strong base, the salt obtained will be basic salt plus byproduct water. Okay, when weak acid react with strong base, we get basic salt plus water. For example, acidic acid CH3COOH is a weak acid. React with sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, to form sodium acetate CH3COONA plus water. So here CH3COONA is a basic salt because it is obtained by combination of weak acid and strong base. Next is when strong acid react with strong base. When strong acid reacts with strong base, we get neutral salt plus water because both of the acid and the base, both of them are strong. So when strong acid react with strong base, the product obtained will be neutral salt with a byproduct water. Okay, for example, hydrochloric acid, which is strong acid, react with sodium hydroxide. Yet again, strong base, both are strong. So the product obtained, the salt will be sodium chloride plus byproduct water. So when strong acid react with strong base, we get neutral salt plus water. Now, when weak acid react with weak base, we again get neutral salt plus water. When weak acid is reacting with weak base, we are getting neutral salt and water. For example, weak acid, acidic acid again, CH3COOH, react with calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, to get calcium acetate, CH3COO twice, C, plus H2. So calcium acetate is a neutral salt here. Okay students, our next topic is pH scale. What is a pH scale? pH scale is a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. pH scale is a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. P in the pH scale stands for potence, a German word which means power. So actually in the pH scale, it starts from 0 and ends in 40, and in between it is 7. So when the pH value is 7, equal to 7, we say the solution is neutral. If the pH value is 7, equal to 7, then we say the solution is a neutral solution. If the pH value is less than 7, the solution is acidic. If the pH value is less than 7, we say it is an acidic solution. And if the pH value is greater than 7, more than 7, greater than 7, then we say it is a basic solution. So, for an acidic solution, smaller the pH value, then higher its acidity. For example, if we have two solutions A and B, the solution A is having pH value 1.5 and solution B which have the pH value 6.5. Both are acidic because it's coming between 7. Both are acidic. Okay, but the solution whose pH value is 1.5 is more acidic than the solution whose pH value is 6.5. So the solution A is more acidic than solution B. But for a basic solution, higher the pH value, then more it will be basic. The basicity will increase with the pH value. For example, if there are two solutions C and D, solution C and solution D, the solution C is having pH value like 8.5 and solution D is having pH value like 12.5, then the solution D will be more basic because when the pH value increases, basicity also increases. Students, our next topic is neutralization reaction in daily life. Examples of neutralization reaction in daily life. As all of you know, pH in our stomach is 1.3 to 3 due to the secretion of hydrochloric acid inside our stomach. In the case of indigestion, there is acidity in our stomach. The acidity in our stomach increases. It can be neutralized by using antacids like mild bases, milk of magnesia, mild bases like sodium bicarbonate in ENO, and aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide in Digen, Gelusil, etc. It can be neutralized. I will repeat once more. The pH value inside our stomach is between 1.3 and 3 due to secretion of hydrochloric acid inside our stomach. If there is any indigestion, the acidity in our stomach increases. So we feel irritated. So this irritation can be neutralized or it can be cured by taking antacids in the form of mild bases, that is sodium bicarbonate, ENO and all, it is that sodium bicarbonate, milk of magnesia, Digen, etc. These tablets can be taken so then what is happening is the acid react with base to form neutral salt so that there is no irritation. The second one is cold drink, chocolates and sweets are more harmful for health as well as tooth. They provide acid in mouth which are responsible for tooth decay. Actually, inside our mouth, the pH value should be more than 5.5. If the pH value comes less than 5.5, the acidity increases and it produces tooth decay. So we use toothpastes which contain mild base, and through that through neutralization reaction they fight against the tooth decay. So I'll repeat it. Cold drinks, chocolate and sweets are more harmful as it increases the acidity in our mouth. Okay, if the pH value is lesser than 5.5, it creates tooth decay. So we use toothpastes which contains mild bases, and through neutralization reaction they fight against the tooth decay. Third one is nettle leaves or honeybee stick produces itching and inflammation as it contains formic acid or methanoic acid. It contains formic acid. IUPAC's name is methanoic acid. By applying mild bases, we can reduce the itching and inflammation caused by nettle leaves or honeybee sting. So these are the three, there are more examples. These are the main three examples of neutralization reaction which we find in day-to-day life. In the next part, we will conclude this chapter acid, base and salts, where we will be studying about the types of salt, its preparation and uses. Until then, it's me, VIJITH'S, signing off. Take care. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.